Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Welcome to Week Wednesday. I haven't done that in a while. And I will be reviewing this, once again, this box braided half wig I made. It's a crochet wig. It has the attached headband. I'll put all the stuff that I use in my description box. But this is how it is on the inside. It's just a mesh cap. Okay? It had the headband already on it. I sewed this big comb in here. I put this comb in here because it got little combs at each temple, little bitty combs. And these hurt my head. And it got one at the back. I used that one. Anyway. Since I've been embracing my gray lately, I got this, well, I'll put the link down to what color it is. I think it's called tea gray. So, and this headband actually has Velcro on it. So I'm going to hold this in with the, what's it called, hook and loop. Holding this in so it don't stick to my hair. The other end don't stick to nothing. Okay, that's the way I'm going to put it on. Oh, I got 2 bobby pins, long bobby pins crisscross right here. So that's what I'm going to attach the comb to. So else this comb will keep sliding back. Okay, I'm still holding this in. Pull this wig down. Okay, where's the end of the wig? Like I said, I'm going to use the comb that's in the back. I just tuck that under. I'm still holding this end. And to take up the slack of the headband, because it's big, I just twist it. Put it back there. And I'm going to let loose of the other end. I didn't bring no bobby pins in here. I usually do. I think these braids are, I think they're 18 inches. I usually have bobby pins right here, and I forgot to bring them. And I do need them. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, just went and got these big bobby pins. I always secure my half wigs with bobby pins, one at each ear. Pulling this headband close to the ear. Okay. I tell y'all about the time I had a wig lifted off my head by a tree branch. I was getting ready to get in a car. I was a teenager. And back then, afros were out, but my hair wasn't going to an afro. So I found me a cute afro wig, big old nice afro. And I went to get in the car. We had a tree right in front of our house. That branch lifted it straight off my head. It wasn't funny then, but it's funny now. I wasn't even wearing wigs like that then, but I wanted an afro. So that's the only way I could have an afro. Okay. This wig is secure. Put on this headband. I like the knot. It's a wide headband. I can wear the wide side if I wanted to. But I really like the knot. You can't see it. Nope, I ain't got no baby hair. Old lady hair. We had Makai here yesterday. I had to pick him up early from his daycare because he was sick. It just so happens his mama had brought a car seat to stay here. So it was still in the box, so I had to unbox it and put it in the car and go pick my baby up. And he was, they were all the kids were eating lunch at the time. They had a hockey puck looking hamburger patty. They had some cubed carrots, I think applesauce, and a biscuit. So he had taken one bite out of his hockey puck hamburger patty, and so they packed the food up so I can bring it home with me. He took 2 more bites out of that, and he didn't want nothing else. And then later on, when the daycare report came in, we can see it online. They said he ate most of his lunch. Now they've been saying every day he ate most or ate all of his food. He ate most of nothing. He had 3 bites. But I was glad to see my baby. I had bought him a pail of little animals. He knew just about every animal in that little bucket. They stay here, so you have something to play with when he's here. Okay. This is my homemade crochet BoxBraid headband wig. Takes me a while to figure out stuff, y'all. And I like it. And no, it's not heavy. So the ends are finished very nicely. So I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see how it looks in the back. I got a little lump here from my, I got a bun. My own hair's in a bun, and I always got a lump. Okay, I'm trying to straighten these braids out. And this is synthetic hair. Like it. I like it a lot. I got a human hair wig that I think I'm gonna perm it because it's pretty after I just wash it and let it air dry, style it on the head and let it air dry, but then it gets so thick, so I think I'm gonna perm it since it's human hair. By perm I mean use a relaxer on it so it ain't so thick. So this is Wig Wednesday review of this crochet wig that I made, and I'll put all the stuff I used in my description box. Okay, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.